Ever wondered how you can prep on a budget? Well, today we're going to uncover the secrets of thrifty prepping, showing you that you don't need a gold mine to be prepared. Our journey will take us through the aisles of Dollar Tree, revealing how you can stock up on essentials without emptying your wallet. We'll kick things off with household essentials from cleaning supplies to kitchenware, all at a fraction of the cost. Next, we'll delve into hygiene and first aid, showcasing a variety of toiletries and basic emergency items that you can snag at a bargain. But that's not all. We'll also explore the world of miscellaneous items such as candles, batteries, and basic tools, everyday essentials that could be a lifesaver in unforeseen circumstances. And let's not forget about food. With a wide variety of canned goods and non-perishable items, Dollar Tree has got your pantry covered. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets to thrifty prepping with a Dollar Tree haul. Household essentials are the foundation of any prepping plan. Now think about it, when we talk about Dollar Tree, we're speaking of a place where you can find a plethora of cleaning supplies, paper products, and even kitchenware. Imagine getting your hands on dish soap, laundry detergent, or aluminum foil at a fraction of the cost compared to other stores. It's like a treasure trove for the thrifty prepper. But let's not stop there. When it comes to hygiene and first aid, Dollar Tree shines once again. You can find a wide range of toiletries, everything from toothpaste and deodorant to feminine products, and the ever-essential bobby pins. And let's not forget about basic first aid supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and even over-the-counter medications. It's like a one-stop shop for emergency preparedness. Now let's step into the realm of the miscellaneous, where Dollar Tree truly comes into its own. Here you'll discover items such as candles, batteries, matches, and even basic tools. These items may seem ordinary, but they can be lifesavers during power outages or other unforeseen circumstances. It's the everyday essentials that often prove to be the most valuable in a pinch. And finally, we arrive at food, the lifeblood of any prepping plan. Dollar Tree boasts an impressive selection of canned goods, snacks, and even frozen foods. Non-perishable items like pasta, rice, and beans are not only cost-effective but also have a long shelf life, making them perfect for your pantry. Just remember to check those expiration dates. With these household essentials, you can keep your home tidy and organized without breaking your budget. So, the next time you're in a Dollar Tree, remember, it's not just about saving money, it's about being prepared for whatever life throws your way. Stay safe and happy prepping. Now let's delve into the world of hygiene and first aid. As we journey through life, unexpected situations often arise that call for quick thinking and immediate action. Hygiene and first aid are two areas where preparedness can make all the difference. Luckily, Dollar Tree offers an array of products to help you stay ready for anything. Imagine this. You're in the middle of an unexpected power outage, and you've cut your hand on a broken glass. You'd need immediate medical attention, right? But what if you can't get to a hospital? This is where a basic first aid kit comes into play. At Dollar Tree, you can assemble your own kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and over-the-counter medications. It's not just about having these items, but knowing you have them at your disposal in times of need. But first aid isn't just about physical injuries. Hygiene plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being, especially in emergency situations. Poor hygiene can lead to illnesses, and during a crisis, falling sick is the last thing you'd want. Dollar Tree offers a wide range of toiletries. From toothpaste and deodorant to feminine products and bobby pins, you can find everything you need to maintain good personal hygiene. And the best part? They're all available at pocket-friendly prices. Having these supplies in your home or bug-out bag not only ensures your health and safety, but also provides a sense of security and peace of mind. They allow you to approach unexpected situations with confidence, knowing you're prepared to handle anything life throws your way. In the world of prepping, it's often the small overlooked items that can make the most significant difference. And these items don't have to break the bank. With Dollar Tree, you can stay prepared and maintain your hygiene without spending a fortune. So remember, the next time you're shopping for your household, don't forget to pick up these essential hygiene and first aid items. Being prepared for any emergency doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Let's move on to the miscellaneous items that can prove to be lifesavers. As we venture further into our Dollar Tree haul, we encounter a plethora of items that, while seemingly ordinary, can prove to be extraordinary in a pinch. These are the miscellaneous items that may not first come to mind when you think of prepping, but can be the unsung heroes in times of need. Imagine a power outage on a dark, stormy night. What simple item would you reach for first? A candle, of course. Dollar Tree offers a range of candles, from tea lights to pillar candles, that can provide much-needed light when the power grid lets you down. Remember, it's always wise to have a stash of matches or lighters on hand, too. Next, consider batteries. Whether for your flashlight, radio, or any other battery-operated device, having a stockpile of batteries in various sizes can be a real game-changer. At Dollar Tree, you can find packs of batteries for just $1, allowing you to stock up without draining your wallet. Then we have the basic tools. From screwdrivers to pliers and even duct tape, these items can come in handy for quick fixes around the home, especially in emergency situations. While they might not be the highest quality, they can certainly get the job done when you're in a bind. Finally, let's not forget about the miscellaneous items like sewing kits, zip ties, and rope. These may seem unimportant now, but in a survival situation they could be used for a wide variety of tasks, from mending clothes to securing shelters. These everyday essentials, though often overlooked, can be invaluable in unforeseen circumstances. So next time you're at Dollar Tree, don't just pass by these aisles. Take a moment to consider the potential uses of these items in your prepping plan. You never know, these little miscellaneous items might just save the day. Finally, let's talk about food. Now, when it comes to prepping, having a well-stocked pantry is absolutely crucial. And guess what? Dollar Tree might just become your new favorite grocery store. You may be surprised to find a broad range of food items at Dollar Tree, covering the spectrum from canned goods to snacks and even some frozen foods. But the real gems for preppers are the non-perishable items. Think pasta, rice, and beans. These are not only cost-effective, but they also have a long shelf life, making them ideal for stockpiling. And let's not forget about canned goods. From vegetables and fruits to soups and meats, canned foods can be a real lifesaver in a pinch. They're ready to eat, require no refrigeration, and can last for years on your shelf. But it's not just about survival food. Dollar Tree also offers a variety of snacks. Granola bars, crackers, nuts. These can provide a quick energy boost and help to keep morale high in a challenging situation. What's more, Dollar Tree even has a selection of baking ingredients. Need flour, sugar, or baking powder for your homemade bread or cookies? They've got you covered. Now, it's important to note that while Dollar Tree offers great deals, it's crucial to always check the expiration dates on food items. Remember, the goal is to stock up on items that will last, not items that are about to go bad. And don't forget about water. While it's not a food, it's an essential part of any prepping plan. Dollar Tree offers bottled water, which is perfect for storing away for emergencies. So, there you have it. Dollar Tree offers a wide variety of food items that can help you build a well-stocked pantry without breaking the bank. Remember, a well-stocked pantry is a key component of any prepping plan. So that's how you can prep on a budget with a Dollar Tree haul. We've covered everything from household essentials to food, all available at a fraction of the cost. Thrifty Prepping is all about being resourceful and making the most of what's available to you, and as we've seen today, Dollar Tree is a goldmine of affordable supplies that can help you stay prepared for any situation. From hygiene and first aid items to miscellaneous essentials and a variety of food, this haul has demonstrated that you don't need to spend a fortune to be prepared. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive gear, it's about being resourceful and adaptable. So next time you're at the Dollar Tree, keep an eye out for these bargains. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more money-saving tips and prepping hacks. Stay safe and happy prepping.